Picture a busy factory that can build, power, and repair itself while keeping you alive. Today you will learn the main cell parts and what each one does. By the end you will tell prokaryotes from eukaryotes and name key organelles. Cells come in two basic flavors, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes, like bacteria, lack a nucleus and most organelles. Eukaryotes, which make up plants, animals, and fungi, keep their DNA inside a membrane-bound nucleus. Let us zoom into a typical animal eukaryotic cell and meet its team. The nucleus acts as the control room, storing genetic instructions. Mitochondria are the powerhouses, turning food into usable energy called ATP. Ribosomes build proteins by reading messenger RNA. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is a folded highway that moves new proteins around. The Golgi apparatus finishes and packages those proteins like a quality control center. Lysosomes recycle worn-out parts or invading germs. The cell membrane forms a flexible security gate, controlling what enters or leaves. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid that cushions organelles and allows transport. Now look at a prokaryote. It has a rigid cell wall for protection. A simple plasma membrane. One loop of DNA in the nucleoid region. Free-floating ribosomes. And often a whipping flagellum for movement. Here is protein synthesis in action. DNA in the nucleus copies its code onto messenger RNA. That messenger exits through nuclear pores and docks with a ribosome on the The ribosome strings together amino acids to make a protein which then enters the Golgi for final tagging and shipping. Remember, prokaryotes are simple without nuclei. Eukaryotes compartmentalize jobs inside membrane-bound organelles. The nucleus commands. Mitochondria power. Ribosomes build. And Golgi ship. And the membrane guards the border. Grab a microscope and watch these tiny factories in action. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.